have a look at that one. First thing we need to know is there is no leakage. And we need to find out the load required. So we make an assumption. There is no leakage. If there is no leakage, then the pressure 1 should be equal to the pressure 2, or the force 1 should be equal to the force 2. So I can also say like force 1 equals to the force 2. If I do the force 1 equals to the force 2. Now we have the formula for the force. Force is pressure times the area. So P1 A1 equals to P2 A2. I can rearrange that one to find the P2. So the P2 is going to be, if I rearrange that one for P2, P2 is going to be P1 A1 over A2. When you do area, you can just have the ratio of the square of the diameter rather than writing pi r squared, because that's easier and simplified. So now let's have a look. Let's put the values. So the P2 is going to be P1, 1 megapascal. So 1 megapascal. If I keep the unit megapascal, I would have the answer in megapascal. So I keep the answer in, actually, let's do that. 1 times 10 to the 6. Let's do this. The area 1 is 0.02 meters. So the area is given 0.02 meters. And the area 2 is 0.001 meter. So if you put that in your calculator, yeah, and if you press the ENG button in your calculator, it will convert into megapascal straight away. So
when he presses ENG, it comes up with a pi.
okay, I will sort it out. Yeah, I will reset it again. So anyone got the value for the pressure 2? So 20 megapascal. If you press ENG, it will convert it to megapascal. Now we need to find out the area 3. We need to find out the area 3, the load required on the piston A3. Okay, for the same pressure. So first what we need to do is we need to find out the area 3. Now to find the area 3, we have a formula. Pressure 3 equals to the force 3 over the area 3. Now load carrying capacity is 300 kilonewton. So I can rearrange that one, make A3 the subject. Now that will be F3 over P3. So F3 is that one, 3, and then kilonewton. So for kilo, I put 3 more zeros, divided by this one is P3. Okay, now with P3, what we need to do with the P3 is, I got P2 as 20, because I will use the law which states that P1 equals P2 equals P3. So P2 is equal P3, which is equal 20 megapascal. So I'll put 20 megapascal is 10 to the power 6. And that will give me the area, and the answer is going to be in meter square. Yep, anyone got an answer?
Hmm?
0.015 meters square. So we got this value.